Thank you for watching. Hi, 2 million. 2 million in the house. Hello. Thank you for watching. Thank you for million. Baka naman. Hope you hit the likes. Thank you for the likes. Oh my god, why so quiet? Do I need to watch my own live? Oh my god. Thank you. Hi, morning. Rich, drink one water. Wow, why you delete? Not yet read. Rich man. What do you want to say? Why you need to delete? Not yet read. What's your plan? I need drink water. And thank you for the likes. And thank you for watching. 8 million in the likes. Junk food. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Wait lang. Oh my god, Dee, thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hi, Casper. Hello, Casper. Edwin. Oh my god. I'm watching my own live, so that's noise. Fat. Huh? I'm fat? Oh my god, I'm sorry. I thought I'm just skinny, but you see me I'm fat. Oh my god. Are you blind? Nice to see you again. Thank you, Casper, for joining. Hey, Edwin, if I'm fat, what's wrong with a fat person? Something like that. Not something wrong with you. Fit pretty. Fit pretty. Oh my god. My feet is ugly. Good morning, cutie. Good morning, Randy Powers. Thank you, Starlikes. Thank you to hit the likes. Thank you so much. Hey, I didn't understand that one. Chinese or what? Chinese language. Pretty fate. Fate. Not pretty fate. Ugly, ugly feet and ugly face. No, I love you. I love you. Thank you for the one. Thank you for the like. My God, so busy, so busy. I love you. Thank you for the likes. Excuse me. I love you. I love you. Good. Oh my gulay. I need to go to sleep na. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Tomorrow is another day, working day. Danny Gantos. Did you finish your room yet? Not yet finished. Sir Danny. Need to fix the one. Something here the room. Not yet finished. Lock. Something like not yet finished. The something like that. There. Wow, long. I need to save money to fix the room. So I need like save money. Long time, yes, it's long time. That's why I need to work hard to save money. Something like that. Alright, alright. I wish I win the lottery to fix the roof, the wall, the window, something like that. Looks better than before already. Yes, better than before. Before, uh, terrible. Like storage, something like that. No, yes, better than before. I love you. Oh my god. Thank you for watching. I miss you. I'm going to sleep na. Bye-bye. Bye. a nice day, everyone. Oh my god. I'm going to, and but you send the, thank you for the stars, Sir Johnny. Oh my god. Thank you so much. But I need to end the live. Thank you, Sir Johnny. God bless you more. Johnny Gantos. Thank you. But I need to end the live. Thank you so much. Hope to see you next live. Bye-bye. God bless you more, Sir Johnny. Thank you so much.